Good day, this is Professor Wills, ABMD PhD. And today's Wednesday, June 29th, 2022. It's 4:40 and 39 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, sleep apnea in postmenopausal women. So let's hop to it here. Hormones are linked with sleep apnea, snoring in postmenopausal women. Date June 22nd, 2022. Source, PLOS. A new study has found an association between obstructive sleep apnea risk and low estrogen and progesterone levels in women. Middle-aged women with low levels of estrogen and progesterone are more likely to snore and to report symptoms of obstructive sleep apnea, according to a new study. The prevalence of obstructive sleep apnea, in which breathing stops and starts during sleep, is known to be higher in women after menopause. However, no population-based study has previously examined whether this is a result of altered sex hormone levels. In the new study, the researchers analyzed data from 774 women aged 40 to 67 in the European Community Respiratory Health Survey conducted in 7 countries between 2010 and 2012. Women in the study participated in questionnaires on their respiratory health, women's health factors, lifestyle and sleep, and gave blood samples for hormone analysis. 555 of the women in the study, 71.2%, had been told they snored, and 411 of those women also reported other symptoms of sleep apnea. Among other women, a doubling of serum concentrations of estrogen was associated with 19% decreased odds of snoring. A doubling of progesterone levels was associated with 9% decrease odds of snoring. Among snorers, a doubling of the concentrations of 3 estrogens, 17-B-estradiol, esterone, and esterone 3-sulfate was associated with 17% to 23% decrease odds of women having been told they breathe irregularly during sleep. A doubling of progesterone concentration among snorers was associated with 12% decrease odds of having woken with a choking sensation in the previous year. The authors conclude that adjusting female sex hormones might be a strategy to decrease the high prevalence and associated morbidity of obstructive sleep apnea, but say that further longitudinal studies are required to confirm the findings. Female sex hormones are crucial for health and disease, and especially after menopause. The hormone status should be considered to develop holistic treatment strategies. Good day, this is Professor Wills, ABMD PhD, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.